at the ice bar. This is all his idea. So what are we gonna be doing?
So we're gonna go to this pretty much dance floor where everything is covered with ice. Everything is made.
Ice.
It's covered with ice. It's made with ice. So we'll see what happens inside.
Yep, and then we're gonna get some fur coats. Let's go! Right. Of course, hand sanitizer. So we just got the ultimate ice bar experience package for $46. And then when we go into the ice bar, they're gonna give us these furry jackets. This is so cool. I've never known this was here, and I used to work right across the street. And this is here on International Drive. And this is, the blue one is our free drink for the ice bar, and this one is our free drink for the fire bar. So pretty in here. Ooh. So there is this barcode we can scan, and they said with the package that we have, we can get any drink on this menu.
Yeah, you can have any drink on that menu, but if you don't see something on there, you can order behind the bar as well.
Okay, great.
Come on, rum pod.
All right.
Oh, it's
You're
on
gonna
fire.
blow that fire out before you lift the glass. And I made you the tropical whip.
All right.
Is this one the same?
No, that's a tropical whip.
Oh.
Yeah. So you'll blow the fire out first. After you do that, is a shot of 151 rum, and you can add it or take it as a shot. It's up to you.
All right, cool.
Oh, wow.
If you don't want it, you can put it on there.
Okay. So we blow it out.
Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Try to spill it. Oh, it's good. No, cheers.
Yeah, that one's a good one.
Oh, that's good.
Not the 151 on its own.
Yeah.
Is that what you said is good?
Yeah.
That's like gasoline.
I mean,
But I'm glad you like it.
This in here, this is the shot.
yeah.
Yeah.
It tastes like gasoline.
It's 151
It's 100
proof,
proof.
so it's very
Yeah.
strong. So
So what I do is like I just like I hold it on the straw and then put it on the actual cocktail and just have like everything going on.
Okay. I'm scared if I show
you
you.
can just dump it on top, and then when you go to drink from the top, it'll have both flavors. It'll make it stronger
Yeah.
if you add that liquid to it.
Still tastes good. All right, partying.
We're gonna get our thingies.
We're gonna get our fur coats. We're gonna go to the actual ice bar now. Yay! I'm gonna get the leopard print one. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh my god, we are like the cheetah girls over here.
I love it.
Oh my god, Sebastian.
Oh, you look
Are we in
fantastic.
club? Yes. All right, guys. I'm officially a cheetah girl. I put these on. I'm not used to this. I'm a Floridian. Okay.
Ready?
We're going to the ice bar. Let's go. Oh,
Oh, there you go. Oh, okay, there it is.
my leg. Ice. Oh my god, that's so cold. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's so cool.
Oh my god. My face feels cold. Oh my god, this is crazy. Like actual ice. Look, it's a penguin. This is crazy. Ah! He needs a mask.
Right.
It's so cold.
So cool. My leg.
Yeah,
My legs are
our legs. My legs, oh my god.
Oh, look. You got a fucking dog.
Look, it's an alligator for Florida. Looks like maybe some palm trees. What are our drink options? Florida snowman, that doesn't make sense. So it is the prickly pear. And it is,
And you said another one is the ice dragon?
okay look guys,
Yeah.
the prickly pear, the actual cup is ice, right?
Yes. All of it is ice. You can
Oh my
actually
god.
bite it.
Oh my god, I just spilled on my hand, which makes it that much colder. Alright.
Try it.
My nose.
Right?
My nose when I took off my mask. Oh, it's cold. Can you see my breath?
No, you go. Go. Then you Peachy.
This is the actual ice wall. It's crazy, right? But like, look at this. There is a nice shark. And there's a nice... Oh my god, that's crazy. There's a nice one. Oh, she delicious. Oh my goodness. I gotta show you guys, look at these like seats. All the seats have like fake fur, I'm guessing on them. You look like you're so cold.
Leave me alone.
The ice bar. Woo! This place is so cool. Look at it. I love it. Trying to pick this up is slightly challenging. It's a little slippery, you know? All right, pick up your drink. Cheers!
Cheers.
Looks like you're having fun. Guys, to totally fit the Florida theme, there are seashells like frozen in ice. You got a pirate map.
Hello, my name's Nikita. I'm working here at the ICEBAR Orlando. We have these really cool cups. They're made out of ice. Everything in here is going to be made out of ice. It's 18 degrees Fahrenheit in here, so it's pretty chilly. Bring your closed-toed shoes when you come. We have some great options for drinks in here. A real popular one's going to be the Strawberry Snowstorm. I like the Prickly Pear or the Arctic Blue Blast. Come out and check us out sometime.
Yes, she has been super nice and awesome to us, so come see her and tip her well. All right, so our lovely bartender, I have the Penguin Kiss and you have...
Shivering Shirley.
All right, here we go. Hopefully I can take this one in one shot this time. Nope. Oh, it's so cold, it hurts. How? It doesn't even burn. Like, I feel like normally I can't take shots because they burn, and this one's like, it doesn't burn, it's just cold. I can take it. Like, really? Like, I just can't win.
Mine was good.